Explain the concept of normal distribution and its importance in statistics. Answer: a normal distribution is a symmetric, bell-shaped probability distribution commonly seen in various natural phenomena. It's important as it allows for meaningful statistical analysis, enabling hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and parametric modeling in data analysis. How do you handle outliers in a dataset during data preprocessing? Answer: outliers can distort analysis and modeling. I typically identify outliers using statistical methods like the Z-score or interquartile range, IQR, and either remove, transform, or cap them based on the specific scenario and data characteristics. Explain the differences between classification and regression in machine learning. Answer: classification predicts discrete categories or classes, like whether an email is spam or not. Regression predicts continuous numeric values, such as predicting house prices based on features like square footage and location. What is the purpose of using A/B testing in data analysis? Answer: A/B testing is used to compare two versions of a web page, product feature, or strategy to determine which performs better. It helps in making data-driven decisions by assessing user behavior and preferences to optimize outcomes. Describe the steps involved in creating a data visualization. Answer: first, understand the data and audience. Choose appropriate visualizations, e.g., bar chart, scatter plot, based on the data's nature. Design the layout and labels for clarity. Implement the visualization using a tool like Tableau or Matplotlib in Python. What is feature engineering, and why is it crucial in machine learning? Answer: feature engineering involves creating new features or modifying existing ones to improve model performance. It's crucial as the quality of features directly impacts the model's ability to learn patterns and make accurate predictions. What is the difference between variance and covariance? Answer: variance measures the spread of data points from their mean in a single variable, while covariance measures how two variables vary together. Covariance can be used to understand the direction of the relationship between variables, but it's sensitive to the scale of the variables. Explain the concept of a p-value and its role in hypothesis testing. Answer: a p-value is the probability of obtaining results as extreme as or more extreme than the observed results, assuming the null hypothesis is true. A small p-value, typically 0.05, indicates that the data provides sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis. What is the purpose of using regular expressions in data analysis? Answer: regular expressions, regex, are used to search, match, and manipulate text based on specific patterns. In data analysis, regex is valuable for data cleaning, extracting specific information from text data, and validating data formats. Explain the terms precision and recall in the context of a classification model. Answer: precision is the proportion of true positive predictions out of all positive predictions made by the model. Recall is the proportion of true positives out of all actual positives. Precision focuses on minimizing false positives, while recall focuses on minimizing false negatives. What is the purpose of dimensionality reduction in machine learning, and how is it achieved? Answer: dimensionality reduction is used to reduce the number of features or variables in a dataset while preserving its important information. This helps in addressing the curse of dimensionality and improving model performance. Techniques like PCA, Principal Component Analysis, and ELDA, Linear Discriminant Analysis, are used for dimensionality reduction. Describe a data analysis project you've worked on. Answer. One project involved analyzing customer purchasing patterns to optimize marketing strategies. I used Python and SQL to clean and analyze the data, identifying trends and suggesting targeted marketing approaches. How do you handle missing or incomplete data in a dataset? Answer. I assess the extent and nature of missing data, consider imputation techniques like mean, median, or regression-based imputation. If appropriate, I might drop or flag records with missing values, ensuring data integrity and accuracy. Explain the difference between data cleaning and data preprocessing. Answer. Data cleaning focuses on correcting errors and inconsistencies in the dataset, such as removing duplicates or handling missing values. Data preprocessing involves transforming raw data into a format suitable for analysis, including normalization, feature scaling, and encoding categorical variables. What is exploratory data analysis, EDA, and why is it important? Answer. EDA involves analyzing and visualizing data to gain insights into its structure, patterns, and relationships. It helps in identifying anomalies, trends, and potential areas for further analysis, improving decision-making based on data-driven insights. Explain the concept of correlation and how it is used in data analysis. Answer. Correlation measures the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two variables. It ranges from 1 to 1, where 1 indicates a perfect positive correlation, 1 indicates a perfect negative correlation, and 0 indicates no correlation. It helps in understanding how changes in one variable affect another. What are the key steps in the data analysis process? Answer. The data analysis process typically includes steps such as data collection, data cleaning, data preprocessing, exploratory data analysis, data modeling, evaluation, and communication of findings. Each step is crucial to ensuring accurate and meaningful insights. Behavioral questions. Describe a challenging situation you faced while working on a data analysis project and how you handled it. Answer. During a project, we encountered a significant discrepancy in the data that affected our analysis. I collaborated with the team to identify the root cause, rectified the issue through thorough data cleaning and validation, and ensured the analysis proceeded accurately. How do you prioritize and manage multiple tasks or projects with competing deadlines? Answer. I prioritize tasks based on urgency, impact on project timelines, and criticality. I use tools like Kanban boards and project management software to track progress and ensure that I allocate time effectively to meet all deadlines. Describe a time when you had to communicate complex technical findings to non-technical stakeholders. How did you approach it? Answer. I had to present a data analysis report to senior executives. I focused on simplifying technical jargon, using clear visuals, and emphasizing actionable insights to ensure a thorough understanding of the findings and their potential impact. Behavioral questions. Describe a time when you had to work with a difficult or uncooperative team member. How did you handle the situation? Answer. Once, I had a team member resistant to collaborating on a project. I initiated a one-on-one conversation to understand their concerns and motives. Through active listening and finding common ground, we established clear expectations and improved collaboration for the project's success. Tell me about a time when you made a mistake in your analysis. How did you rectify it? Answer: in a previous project, I overlooked an important variable during feature selection, affecting model accuracy. I acknowledged the mistake, re-evaluated the feature selection process, and retrained the model, achieving a better outcome. Describe a situation where you faced a tight deadline for a project. How did you prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively? Answer: during a previous project, we had a tight deadline. I organized tasks based on their urgency and importance, leveraging project management tools to track progress and allocate time accordingly. I also communicated effectively with the team to ensure a collaborative and efficient workflow. Tell me about a time when you had to adapt to unexpected changes in a project. How did you handle it? Answer: in a project, we encountered unexpected changes in the data structure. I quickly assessed the changes, adjusted our data pre-processing and analysis steps, and collaborated with the team to ensure a seamless transition. Being adaptable and open to change was crucial in overcoming this challenge. Describe a time when you had to work in a team with conflicting ideas or opinions. How did you handle it? Answer: in a team project, we had differing opinions on the approach to data analysis. I facilitated open communication, encouraged everyone to express their ideas, and then worked collaboratively to find a middle ground that incorporated the best aspects of each approach. Tell me about a challenging problem you encountered during a data analysis project and how you solved it. Answer: in a project, we faced data quality issues that affected our analysis. I led a team effort to identify the root causes, devised data cleaning strategies, and implemented them to ensure the data's accuracy and reliability for further analysis. Situational questions: you've been given a dataset with a mix of numerical and text data. How would you pre-process and clean this data for analysis? Answer: I would start by separating the numerical and text data. For numerical data, I'd handle missing values, scale the features, and possibly perform feature engineering. For text data, I'd remove stop words, tokenize the text, and consider techniques like TF-IDF or word embeddings for further analysis. You were given a dataset with imbalanced classes. How would you address this issue when building a machine learning model? Answer: to address class imbalance, I would consider techniques such as oversampling the minority class, undersampling the majority class, or using algorithms designed to handle imbalanced data like SMOT, synthetic minority oversampling technique. Evaluating the model's performance using appropriate metrics like precision, recall, and F1 score is crucial in such scenarios. You are given a dataset with numerous features. How would you determine which features are most relevant for your analysis? Answer: I would start by conducting exploratory data analysis to understand feature distributions and correlations. Then, I'd employ techniques like feature importance from tree-based models, correlation analysis, or recursive feature elimination to identify and select the most relevant features. You're working on a project, and a stakeholder requests changes to the analysis at the last minute. How would you handle this situation? Answer: I would calmly assess the requested changes and their impact on the analysis. If the changes are feasible and won't significantly delay the project, I'd communicate the implications and agree on a plan with the stakeholder. If not feasible, I'd suggest alternatives to meet their objectives within the project constraints. Situational questions: you're given a large dataset. How would you approach analyzing it and extracting meaningful insights? Answer: I would start with data exploration and visualization to understand the dataset structure and identify potential patterns. Next, I'd conduct data preprocessing to handle missing values, outliers, and any necessary feature engineering. Then, I would apply appropriate statistical analysis or machine learning algorithms to derive actionable insights. You're working on a project, and the data source suddenly changes. How would you adapt to this unexpected change? Answer: I would quickly assess the new data source, understand its structure and variables, and adapt my data preprocessing and analysis accordingly. Flexibility and adaptability are key, and I would communicate effectively with the team to ensure a smooth transition and minimize any disruptions. You're working on a project, and your initial analysis shows unexpected results. What steps would you take to troubleshoot and identify the issue? Answer: First, I'd review the data for inconsistencies or anomalies. Then, I'd double-check my analysis code and assumptions to ensure they are accurate. If needed, I'd consult with team members or domain experts to gain additional insights and validate my approach. You are given a dataset with millions of records, and your task is to analyze it efficiently. How would you approach this task? Answer: I'd start by understanding the data's structure and characteristics. Then, I'd sample the data to get a manageable subset for initial exploratory analysis. If needed, I'd use parallel processing, optimize my code, and utilize appropriate tools and libraries to handle and analyze the large dataset efficiently.